How to subscribe to PhotoMath Plus. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. You don't need to sign up or log into your account in order to access this app. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera. From here, you can scan the problems that you want to solve. Now, in order to subscribe to PhotoMath Plus, you will have to purchase a subscription. So for that, in this top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. It will give you these menus. At the bottom, you can see the PhotoMath Plus. Tap on it. From here, you need to select this Try Plus button. Tap on it. Over here, you will see different packages. Here are 12-month package, 6-month package, and 1-month package. So you can go through it and choose your preferred one. You can simply select the package and tap on this Try Plus button. Next up, you need to select the payment method. You can add your payment cards, you can add your PayPal accounts, you can select your preferred payment method and complete the following process. And that's it. That's how you can easily subscribe to PhotoMath Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.